CountAbout Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to CountAbout and alternative financial tools are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. CountAbout is a cloud-based personal finance tool designed for users who want a customizable and ad-free budgeting experience. One of its biggest selling points is that it allows users to import data directly from Mint and Quicken, making it an excellent option for those transitioning from those platforms. It offers automatic bank syncing, custom categories, recurring transactions, and detailed financial reports to help users track their income, expenses, and savings. Since CountAbout is entirely web-based, it works across devices without requiring software installation. CountAbout is best suited for users who want a Mint or Quicken alternative that offers flexibility and automation without ads. It's great for individuals and families who prefer a clean, simple interface without unnecessary distractions. Unlike Mint, which is free but ad-supported, CountAbout requires a paid subscription but provides a more private, customizable experience. Compared to YNAB, which focuses on zero-based budgeting, CountAbout offers a more traditional approach to expense tracking. The biggest strengths of CountAbout include its seamless data import, ad-free experience, and flexibility. The ability to import Mint and Quicken data makes transitioning easy, and the platform offers strong automation features, including bank transaction syncing and customizable financial reports. Unlike many free budgeting apps, CountAbout does not sell user data, making it a great choice for privacy-conscious individuals. It also allows for extensive customization, including user-defined spending categories and account tracking options. However, there are some downsides. CountAbout does not have a free version, requiring a paid subscription for access. While it offers basic investment tracking, it's not as robust as Personal Capital's portfolio management tools. The mobile app is functional but not as feature-rich as the desktop version, which may be a drawback for users who rely on mobile financial management. Additionally, while it provides automation, it lacks some of the goal-setting and debt payoff features found in apps like YNAB or PocketGuard. Overall, CountAbout is a solid option for those who want a fully customizable budgeting tool with strong automation and no ads. If you need more investment tracking, Personal Capital is a better fit. And if you prefer zero-based budgeting, YNAB might be the way to go. Check out the links in the description for more details.